All right, garden tractor project. We aren't going to buy new tires for this. We're just going to do inner tubes. Already got it broken off the bead and over the outer rim with 3 of these guys. $10 on Amazon. And then a new inner tube that should hold it. These are 2 for $30 and they get good reviews. So I got it partially inflated so I can get it in here, and then we'll see if I can get it back on the bead. That's going to be the hard part, I think, getting it back on the bead. Getting it off was a matter of using all 3 of the spoons to kind of work one little area with lots of soapy water. And I thought that was going to hang me up, but it just takes a little persistence. Just one little area, you work it, and once it starts to break, it'll come off. You got to do it on both sides so that you can get enough room to put the inner tube in. And then obviously you want to cut the stem, get the back of it out. It just fell out, and you're good to go for inner tube. Got it back together. That was the hardest part, getting the tube in. And I made a mistake. I let it go back onto the bead when I was putting the tire back on. And you got to get it down below here so you have room to stretch it over here. But I was able to do it with those 3 tire irons. And we don't appear to have any more leaks. Let's see. I do not see anything. I managed to not pop the inner tube.